Everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shields McEwen, and you are watching Carolina Custom Homes with Shields. Check it out, guys. So today I'm in Alamance County. I'm going to be taking you through this stunner. It is a Heartland 1. We've got a beautiful front porch, a screened-in back porch. You do not want to miss today's video, guys. Thank you for clicking on it, and as always, enjoy the show. Guys, check out this stunner. So today we are going to walk a Heartland 1. Heartland 1 is a 1,548 square foot plan. You are seeing a beautiful site-built front porch. Now when I say site-built, that means we add this porch onto the house. It does not come with the plan. So you have all the control over the style, the size. What you're looking at today is a 6x20 double gable front porch with the vaulted ceiling there. Very similar to the porch we're putting on our new Heartland 2XL model in Burlington. So you definitely want to come check that out when you get a chance. You are seeing our included split face textured block for the foundation material, one of our 5 included siding colors with that cypress green. You're seeing Nationwide's included lineals. This customer went with the white gutters and downspouts to kind of tie everything in. Looks fantastic. I want to show you the back because this customer did add a screen porch. With Nationwide, they do start you with a 712 roof pitch. Nationwide does not offer the 512 or anything like that. And then on the back, you are seeing that beautiful screen porch, okay? So that's something you can always think about or add on. The back porch is just like the front, okay? You have all the control over the style and the size and whether or not it's screened in, covered, and all that good stuff. So let's get in here and take a look, guys.